Imagine swapping every single drop of water for a cup of coffee. Forever. Sound like heaven? Day 1 feels amazing. You're focused, energized, and ready to conquer absolutely everything today. It is basically liquid, right? So you must be staying hydrated. Or are you? By the late afternoon, a dull throb starts behind your eyes. Something is wrong. Coffee is a diuretic, meaning your body is losing fluid faster than normal. Day 2 arrives. Your mouth feels like a dry desert, and your urine is dark. You feel dizzy and sluggish, despite that third double shot espresso in your shaking hand. You drink more coffee to fight the fatigue, but it only fuels the fire. Your heart starts thumping against your ribs, and your fingers will not stop shaking. Suddenly, you are on edge. Every little sound makes you jump. Hello, caffeine-induced anxiety. By day 3, your kidneys are working overtime to filter out concentrated biological waste. Your skin looks dull and dry, and your digestive system has completely stalled out. Your electrolyte balance is crashing, leaving your muscles feeling weak and very, very twitchy. Day 5. You are a jittery, nauseous mess with a brain made of fog. Coffee's diuretic effect partially cancels out its hydration. It just is not quite enough. Now, coffee is fine in moderation, but it is never a true water replacement. You finally grab a glass of pure, cold water. You are reviving now. The verdict? Coffee is a tasty luxury, but water is a biological necessity for survival.